Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a pharmacist in Ireland if you have qualified abroad? You might think it's overwhelming, but don't worry. We have got you covered with a step-by-step breakdown of the process. This is Srinija, Admin Manager at Elite Expertise, trying my best to explain about the latest updates from October 2024 in the process of becoming a pharmacist in Ireland. For those not familiar with what Elite Expertise is, here is a gist. If you are someone who wants to become a registered pharmacist in the countries like Australia, New Zealand, Canada and Ireland, Elite Expertise will help you with the preparation of the licensure exams like OPRA, PEBC and PSI. We have recently launched our PTE course too, which is an English language proficiency test. Now let's quickly jump into a step-by-step process of becoming a registered pharmacist in Ireland. But before we move further, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. So the stage 1 of this process is initial review. When the Pharmaceutical Society of Ireland receives your application, they will straight away work on verifying whether you are eligible to apply. Here's what happens. First, they will check your eligibility. Are you qualified and do you meet the requirements? That's step 1. Next, they will see if the application is completed, like got all the documents required including those third-party verifications. If yes, great. If no, don't stress, they will notify you what are missing. If everything checks out, your application will be marked as file valid and complete. That means it is ready to move on to stage 2. But if something is missing, you will get a notification. It's on you to submit outstanding documents. You will get 6 months to sort it out or your file will be closed. But what if you are not eligible at all? Then your file will be marked as invalid. But don't worry, you can apply later when you meet the requirements. Once your application is complete, it will then be moved to the next stage called Holistic Assessment stage. This is where an assessor will deep dive into your qualifications, training and work experience. They will basically check whether the candidate meets the pharmacy standards of Ireland. So here's what they will look into. First is input components. This is your pharmacy degree and any practical training that you have completed. Second, quality components. Was your degree accredited? What's the regulatory authority like in the country you have studied? They will even need a form called the regulatory data form from the authority in your home country. Third is output components. This includes your post-graduation certificate, your work experience and also any professional development activities. Based on how your file performs in these areas, you will be placed on one of the two paths. Path A. If everything checks out, you will skip the exams and straight away go to the certification. Path B. If there are any gaps in your qualifications, you have to address them through a compensation measure, basically an exam. Now, if you're on Path B, this is where the real work begins. This is the examination stage. You will have to take an aptitude test to prove your skills meet the IRIS standard. This examination has two parts, the MCQ exam and the OSCE exam. MCQ exam, which is a multiple choice questionnaire exam, tests your knowledge on pharmacology, pharmacy practice, biomedical sciences and calculations. OSCE exam is a practical exam where you will demonstrate your pharmacy knowledge and skills in a simulated pharmacy setting. Holistic assessment will determine whether you will have to take the MCQ exam or OSCE exam or both. Once you successfully complete all the stages, you will be issued a certificate of qualification appropriate for practice. This is basically your golden ticket. It means your qualifications have been recognized and you can now apply to register as a pharmacist in Ireland. That's it. From the initial review to the certification, the process might sound intense, but every step is designed to make sure you are fully prepared for the high standards of pharmacy practice in Ireland. So whether you are just starting your application or preparing for the exams, remember each step will bring you closer to your dream of becoming a pharmacist in Ireland. Good luck with your preparation and see you in the next video.